The dollar index came within millimeters of hitting its recent decade-long high. In July, it hit 109.29, and yesterday it hit 109.27 before pulling back. And whether or not it recovers to push to new highs remains to be seen, but it's worth remembering that the dollar index is heavily weighted towards the euro, and the euro is on the verge of another existential crisis and just pushed below parity. And this matters for crypto investors. The recent strengthening of the dollar is playing havoc in the global financial markets, including Bitcoin. The dollar is growing in strength due to the Fed raising rates to fight inflation, and part of that process is the withdrawal of liquidity from financial markets. Now over in Europe, the Italian 10-year yield is close to levels not seen since the Eurozone crisis, and the ECB finds itself trapped between raising rates to fight runaway inflation or stimulating to manage the oncoming debt crisis. Now we suspect that after a period of posturing, the ECB will eventually prioritise saving the Eurozone over inflation, which means stimulus, i.e. weakening the euro, which in turn pushes the dollar index even higher. And overnight, the Fed's Kashkari said that with the US at maximum employment with soaring inflation, the situation is unbalanced and more and tighter monetary policy is needed. When we look at things this way, it looks like one-way traffic.